Hello today. We visited the world of Super Mario and met many familiar friends. From adorable faces to humorous characters, they all made for a wonderful exploration.
Oh. Wow.
Surprise!
Wow! Koopa Troopa is a well-known race of turtle-like creatures in Nintendo's Mario franchise.
I'm ready to ski! Let's roll! Whoa, faster and faster! Look at me go!
I like it. Fantastic!
Wario builds himself as Mario's arch nemesis. He wears a purple outfit and a yellow cap and sports a distinctive zigzag-shaped mustache.
Look at all this gold! It's all mine!
Interesting. Whatever. Bingo!
Wow, Diddy Kong, Donkey Kong's trusted friend and partner. His signature look features a red shirt with a yellow star and a red cap.
Yeah! Woo! Got it! Yeah!
Okay.
Where are you going around here?
Surprise!
Wow. The Piranha plant is typically depicted as a carnivorous plant with a large red head featuring white spots and a mouth full of sharp teeth resembling those of a piranha.
I'm so happy to be here in this cozy room. Me too, this place is amazing. Look at all these cool things.
Wow. Bingo!
While Waluigi Wario's pal and accomplice, Waluigi is the self-proclaimed rival of Luigi.
This will be perfect. Go get him, little fella.
Unbelievable. I like it.
Surprise!
Wow, Mario, he's good at all of them. He's a plumber by profession, but is really a jack of all trades.
I'm gonna win this time. Not so fast, Mario.
Wow. Oh. Bingo.
Wow, Princess Peach is always game for a variety of sports and also enjoys baking and cooking.
Unbelievable. Whatever.
Phew! Wow. Daisy is cheerful, energetic, and a bit of a tomboy. She enjoys playing a variety of sports with Mario and friends.
I'm so happy to be here with you. Me too. This sunset is perfect.
Just like you.
Wow! Interesting. Oh.
Surprise!
Wow! The character in the image is a Goomba, one of the most common and iconic creatures in Nintendo's Super Mario game series.
Oh my, look at what I found! It's magnificent! Finally, success!
Okay. Da 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 da. Wow.
Wow, Bowser. He may throw a tantrum if things don't go his way. He's known to cause plenty of trouble and can be a bit selfish.
I'm king of the clouds. Watch the gold light shimmer bright. I reign supreme in the air tonight.
Wow! What about that? Whatever. Oh.
Wow, Boo! Mischievous ghosts often appear in dark, desolate places, but if you look closely, they're actually quite cute.
Boo! Hee hee hee! Look at me! I'm here to play with you!
Wow. Okay. Phew.
Wow! Rosalina, a mysterious lady who travels the galaxy accompanied by her family of star-like creatures called Lumas.
Interesting. Wow. No, 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 no.
And so, our journey exploring the world of Super Mario has come to an end. Thank you all for joining us. See you on the next adventure. Bye-bye!